The DJI Avata 360 is no longer just a rumor. Ahead of its official global launch, the drone has now appeared in hands-on photos, retail packaging, and even online marketplace listings, giving us the clearest look yet at what could become one of the most important FPV drones in recent years. Images shared by drone insiders show the aircraft placed directly in front of its official retail box, confirming both the product name and its distinctive design. But what immediately stands out is the camera system. Unlike traditional FPV drones, the Avata 360 appears to feature a rotating camera housing. This mechanism could allow the camera module to change orientation during flight, switching between forward-facing FPV footage and full 360-degree capture. If that capability is confirmed, the Avata 360 could represent the start of a completely new type of drone. Instead of choosing between a fast FPV drone or a 360 camera drone, creators may finally get both in a single platform. According to early leaks, the drone may feature a dual camera system built around large 1/1.1-inch sensors. That's significantly larger than what most FPV drones currently offer. Larger sensors usually mean better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper overall image quality. And when it comes to recording capabilities, the numbers sound impressive. In 360-degree mode, the Avata 360 is rumored to support 8K video at 60 frames per second. That would allow creators to capture an entire environment and then reframe shots later during editing, without worrying about camera direction during the flight itself. For action sports, cinematic fly-throughs, or high-speed tracking shots, that kind of flexibility could completely change how aerial footage is captured. When switched to traditional FPV mode, the drone may record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, enabling smooth slow-motion footage during fast maneuvers. The drone's design also appears to follow a compact Cinewoop-style layout, complete with full propeller guards, making it suitable for tight spaces and indoor flying. Leaks suggest the Avata 360 may use 4-blade propellers, which could provide smoother throttle control and improved stability. The expected weight is around 370 to 380 grams, and flight time could reach 23 to 25 minutes, which would be very impressive for a ducted FPV drone capturing high-resolution video. DJI may also introduce a new fast-charging battery hub, allowing creators to recharge multiple batteries quickly between flights. On the technology side, the drone is expected to feature DJI's O4 transmission system, providing lower latency and a stronger video signal for immersive FPV flying. Compatibility with DJI Goggles N3 and the RC2 controller is also rumored, giving pilots flexible control options. Pricing leaks suggest the Avata 360 could start around 2,988 Chinese yuan, which converts to roughly $435, making it surprisingly competitive for the features being rumored. A launch could happen first in China, with a global release possibly arriving in early April, although official confirmation is still pending. Meanwhile, another major DJI product is also getting closer to launch. The Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo has recently surfaced through a leaked quick start guide. The documentation confirms several physical features, including a dedicated zoom button, 5D joystick control, customizable shortcut button, and USB-C connectivity. The device continues the familiar compact gimbal design with a rotatable touchscreen, similar to the Pocket 3. However, the guide does not confirm any official waterproof or IP rating. While the micro SD slot includes a protective cover, full water resistance would require sealing across multiple components including buttons, ports, and the rotating screen hinge. So for now, durability improvements seem likely, but true waterproofing remains unconfirmed. Pricing for the Pocket 4 Creator Combo is expected to land around $669, slightly higher than the previous generation. And according to current reports, the official announcement could arrive around March 26. With both the Avata 360 and the Osmo Pocket 4 preparing to launch, the next few weeks could be very exciting for creators and drone enthusiasts. DJI may be about to introduce two powerful tools that push portable filmmaking even further.